Printing, folding, and die-cutting machines are continuously fed with materials. To guarantee reliable production, it's important to ensure that only one sheet is inserted into the machines at a time. As can be seen in this example, special ultrasonic sensors for double material detection prevent errors in the material feed. Double sheet sensors consist of a transmitter and a receiver. The ultrasonic transmitter emits sound. The sound waves are partially reflected by the surface of the material between the two components. The remainder penetrates the material and is decoupled back into the air. If there is another layer of material between the transmitter and the receiver, the process is repeated. This causes the signal amplitude to become highly muted. The receiver only picks up a very small amplitude level. This means that double layers of material can be reliably detected and clearly distinguished from single layers. Precise alignment of the transmitter and receiver is essential for the double sheet detection to function correctly. Both ultrasonic transducers are most sensitive to sound at their center. This means that the sound beam from the emitting transducer should meet the receiving transducer at this central point, enabling the largest possible amplitude measurement and covering the widest possible material spectrum. Even minor axial deviations of more than 1 millimeter can lead to a significant loss of amplitude. The same applies to inaccuracies in the angular alignment of more than 1 degree. The exact alignment of the transmitter and receiver is therefore essential for the reliable function and high performance of the double sheet sensor. Whether for the printing industry, battery, or cardboard production, select the ideal sensor solution for your application from an optimized portfolio of double material detection systems from technology leader Pepperl+Fuchs.